everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Roderick Bullet, and I'm here to introduce you to a fundamental concept in financial analysis, the payback period. The payback period is a key metric used to determine how long it takes for an investment to recoup its initial costs. In other words, it measures the time it takes to recover the money invested. We need accurate cash flow projections and a clear understanding of the investment's timeline to calculate the payback period. By utilizing this metric, we can assess the recovery time and associated risk of different investment opportunities. Summary: the payback period is a valuable tool in financial analysis. It helps us evaluate investments based on their recovery time and risk. By considering the payback period alongside other financial metrics, we can make well-informed decisions for the financial success of the organization.
Payback method is the term for payback period calculation. We should get the exact time the initial investment is returned. For example, if a company invests to a project given the payback period of 3 years, then the initial investment should be returned within 3 years and should not exceed before the given time. Given the example shows how the payback period is calculated, all you got to do is to divide the period before the initial investment is returned to the cash inflow after the initial investment is returned. If the result is less than the required payback period, then it is a good investment. If the result is greater than the required payback period, then companies should consider another investment. The payback period is a method commonly used by investors, financial professionals, and corporations to calculate investment returns. It helps determine how long it takes to recover the initial costs associated with an investment. This is useful before making any decisions, especially when an investor needs to make a judgment about an investment venture. Capital budgeting is a key activity in corporate finance. One of the most important concepts every corporate financial analyst must learn is how to value different investments or operational projects to determine the most profitable project or investment to undertake. One way corporate financial analysts do this is with the payback period.
Example, the Delta Company is planning to purchase a machine known as Machine X. Machine X would cost $25,000 and would have a useful life of 10 years with zero salvage value. The expected annual cash inflow of the machine is $10,000. Since the cash inflow is even in this project, we can simply divide the initial investment by the annual cash inflow to compute the payback period. So payback period equals $25,000 divided by $10,000 is equal to 2.5 years. According to payback period analysis, the purchase of Machine X is desirable because its payback period is 2.5 years, which is shorter than the maximum payback period of the company.
So, advantages of payback periods. Regular income. Pay periods provide a regular income to employees which help them plan and manage their expenses accordingly. Cash flow management. Pay periods can help employers manage their cash flow more efficiently by scheduling payments in a way that aligns with their business needs. Increased productivity. When employees know they will receive a regular paychecks, they may be more motivated to work harder and more efficiently. Administrative costs. Pay periods require administrative work, including processing payroll and printing checks, which can be cost for employers. Delayed payments. Depending on the pay period, there may be a delay between the time an employee earns their wages and when they receive their paycheck. This delay can cause financial stress for some employees. Difficulty in changing. Once a company has established a pay period, it can be difficult to change it without causing confusion and potential errors in pay. This can be problematic if the pay period no longer meets the needs of the employees or the company.